Welcome to our video on how tempeh can transform your body. Tempeh is a traditional Indonesian dish made from fermented soybeans. Tempeh is an excellent source of energy that can help you burn fat and build muscle. It also helps regulate your appetite and blood sugar levels. Tempeh is low in calories and fat, making it an ideal food for weight management. It is also high in vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin B12, which helps keep your bones strong. Now that you know the benefits of tempeh, let's learn how to prepare delicious and healthy tempeh-based meals in your own kitchen. Thank you for watching our video on how tempeh can transform your body. Start your tempeh journey today and enjoy the amazing benefits of this delicious and healthy food.